Hi everyone, welcome to another session of dance. In today's session, we are going to revise whatever we have done from session 8 till session 13. So come, let's quickly revise it. Recap session, ballet session 8. Open your arms side to side. Extend your left leg out. Now, give a curve to your left arm and take your left feet at the back. And on the right foot, give a force from the right hand side and take a turn. Step 2. Turns, you always take turns from the left hand side. And the position is position 1 of the hands and on the toes. You take a turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Step 3. Let's watch the step. Here we start up with the right leg. Right leg goes back. 1, left leg out, 2 and 3 right leg in the front. Now left leg at the back, right leg opens and left leg in the front. Dance choreography on a song, ballet session 9. So the first step that we did on the song was hands on your side and on your toes, and you walk in front with tiny steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The second step is right hand goes up, left hand in front and you come on your toes. Then right hand comes down and left hand goes up on your toes. And then both hands go up and you take a turn from your left hand side. Then after that, the word comes when I dance. Now nothing you have to do, you have to just raise your right hand up towards the right hand side. Pointed left toe here and your left arm right in front. So it comes like this. When I dance. Then the next word is I feel like dreaming. Now this foot goes this way. Your arms open. Right foot at the back. I feel like dreaming. Then I close my eyes. Your left foot in front. You close your eyes. Either left or right. Any foot can be in front. I close my eyes and let it go. Open your arms side to side and look up. Then the wording comes, the music flows through me. So the music, leg again ahead. The music, then you're going to open your arms side to side and take turns. Flows through me. Then the next step, we are going to make our hands like this. We'll go on the right hand side. Slide this way and then the turns. We have done these turns in the previous lesson. After these turns, we are going to do, first let's see the legs first. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Watch again, right leg, go towards your right side. 1, up, 2, up. So let's see. Your hands are here, right hand up, left hand down. 1, 2, that's it. And from here, you're going to take those turns again. Turn, 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 turn. Again, 1, 2, turn, 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 turn. Then, hands here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bhangra session 10. Left hand on your waist, standing with shoulder width apart from the legs, and right hand up in the air, and you take a bounce and you lean towards the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second step is dhamal, also called as single hop step. You have to lift your left leg up as high as up to your waist, and if you can raise it more high, then amazing. So when you lift your left leg up, at the same time you hop on the right leg. Watch again. Hop up. Hop up. So adding the hand combination to it, You take your arms up in the air. You can leave your palms open, or you can make this hand gesture. So the step goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the third step is Bedi. Your left feet here and tap in center. Then go back, lift your right foot up and tap in center. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's add the hand combination to it. All you have to do is, in a circular motion, you have to get your arms here and you pretend as if you are clapping. You don't need to clap, you just pretend you clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some more steps learnt in Bhangra, session 11. All you have to do is, you're going to lift your left leg up, hop on your right leg and cross and place it in middle in front of the right foot. Now let's see the hands. Just open your hands up in the air and join your index finger and thumb and open your rest fingers. All you have to do is, when you are jumping and you're hopping, get your arms down. Pull your arms down. Let's start it with the hand movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Hands up in the air and you're going to pull your hands down and you're going to lift your left leg up. Like it's going to be alternate. Watch now. You're pulling your hands down and you're lifting your left leg up. 1, 2. Now when you're doing this, you are going to hop on your right foot. See? Hop, hop. Then the second step is, one hand is on your waist and one hand, right hand goes like this, like coming from the shoulder and pointing out and coming down. And your feet move side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do this combination together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the next move is, you turn towards your right, you hold both your hands on side and you lift your left leg up facing the audience. And your hands come down. It is again the Mal step. 1, 2. So you're going to take 2 steps this side. 1, 2. Left hand comes on your ear and take a fast turn, tapping 3 times from your right foot. 1, 2, 3. Watch the complete step. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now the next move is again the Dhamal step. As you come here, your position is like this. You lift up your left leg and your right arm goes in front and left at the back. Watch. 1, 2. And the last step, right hand up in the air, left hand here in front of your body and squat position and you walk. Move your shoulders. Learned few more moves in Bhangra, session 12. Extend your right arm up in the air. Join your index finger and thumb and extend 3 of the fingers, open up. Now you have to move your shoulders also. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the second step is Shisha. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Going on further to the third move, that is Hathi Chal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Learned advanced Bhangra moves in session 13. You step in front and then you come back. Tiny step, front, back, front, back. Now let's add hands to it. Keep your hands like this. When you go forward, when you step forward, your hands come down. So 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Do the second step of the day, that is Tunka. In Tunka, you get wider and you get bend down, right? One hand up in the air, the left hand, and the right hand right in front with this posture. And if you can move your hands, then amazing. If you cannot, then you can shake your hands like this. So get wider, bend down and step. 1, 2, jump, 1, 2, jump. Then turn the side. 1, 2, jump, 1, 2, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple tapping, adding hands to it. Now the only thing that has to be kept in mind while doing this step is that while tapping right foot, your hand has to be on the alternate side, that is on the left side, and you get them down. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So students, that was all for today's session. Stay safe, stay healthy till we meet again in the next session. Happy dancing. Bye bye.